Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Kawasaki Versys 650. This is the LT version, which has the engine or hand guards, engine guards, locking side cases, and this bike also has a center stand, ABS brakes, running lights, beautiful condition. It's like showroom, only 9,500 miles. Come on by. This bike is great for commuting or touring. Only $69.99 for this gorgeous twin cylinder, fuel injected 650 twin. Come on by. Make your Versys dreams come true for $69.99. We've got financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.